case was a very heartbreaking case for the obvious reasons. In that case, what happened was there were two vehicles. It was happened on the 60 freeway here in, I guess it would be part of Los Angeles County, or part of it goes through San Bernardino or Riverside County. I'm not quite sure which county it occurred in, but in any event, the accident occurred because of the fact that there was no median barrier. Actually, now that I've talked about it a little bit, I understand. Most of the 60 freeway in Los Angeles County have a median barrier. The more further part in San Bernardino, Riverside area, and particularly Riverside, didn't have any barriers at that point in time. Even though there had been a history of vehicles crossing over the barrier and having head-on collisions or collisions with other vehicles. In this particular case, there was a family who was going to Mexicali for a birthday of another relative. It was the father, the mother, their two younger children. One was 11 years old, one was 6. And another lady going in the opposite direction on the freeway lost control of the vehicle and just smashed into these people head on. And our argument was, had there been a median barrier on the freeway going at such a high rate of speed, that vehicle would have never crossed over and come and had a head-on collision, causing the death of the entire family. Which was even worse and sad was that their older son was driving behind them at some distance, and this whole entire event occurred right in front of him, where he sees another car come across the freeway and head-on collision. And the son gets out and goes to see what happened to his family, and the 6-year-old child that was still breathing just barely looked at his brother crying, and then next thing you know, unfortunately, she passed away as well too. And luckily, as a result of this accident, they ended up having to put a median barrier in the 60 freeway to prevent any future accidents like this.